Hello viewers, today we shall do lesson 8 of Footprints Without Feet, that is The Hack Driver, written by Sinclair Lewis. Its main characters are narrator and Oliver Lutkins. Narrator: a young lawyer who is gullible. The hack driver makes a fool out of him. Oliver Lutkins: a dishonest man who tricks others and receives summons from the court. He is a great storyteller. He takes up the name of Bill Magnuson to fool the lawyer. Now its summary. The narrator's job. The narrator, a young lawyer, works in a law firm and is assigned the duty to serve summons to a witness required in a court case. The narrator graduated with honors in law and dreamt of practicing law. But all his hopes are dashed because he does not get any case to handle, but is sent to serve summons. As this work is difficult and dangerous, he hates it. He thinks of going back to his town to become a lawyer. The lawyer goes to New Mullion to serve summons. One day, he goes to a village named New Mullion to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. He expects to find a beautiful and peaceful village, but his expectations are proved false as the village has streets full of mud. There are shabby wooden shops all around. The only cheerful thing that the lawyer finds, a man at the station. This man drives a carriage and offers to help him to find Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver tells the lawyer about Lutkins. The hack driver informed him that Lutkins was hard to catch. He was always busy doing one thing or another. He tells him that Lutkins even owes him some money. The lawyer is quite impressed by the friendly conduct of the hack driver. Now he trusts him completely. The lawyer hires his carriage for a couple of hours to find Lutkins. He even tells him that he had summons to serve on Lutkins.